Hi everyone, Sean here from BC's Used Car Dealer of the Year, BCS Auto Sales. Hey, thank you for checking out our vehicles online. We really appreciate that. Today I'm test driving a 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan Comfortline Edition. Locally driven, accident-free, and low in mileage. It comes with a full independent vehicle inspection and a free Carfax history report, as well as our very own 30-day money-back guarantee. Adventure ready with select off-road terrain driving modes, GPS navigation, glove soft heated leather seats, tough word today, and a massive power sliding panoramic sunroof. This one's perfect for any weekend adventure, extended road trip, or just daily driving around in comfort, no matter the road conditions. And hey, whatever you're driving, if it's not taking you where you want to go, now is the perfect time to update your vehicle. Trade values have never been higher, so please let us make you an offer. Hey, speaking of offers, we offer easy financing with specials that include no money down, no payments for 6 months, and you can get up to $10,000 cash back, OAC. Hey, there's only one BCS Auto Sales, your used car dealer of the year, 7 years in a row. Thanks for that. And hey, without further ado, here is the Volkswagen Tiguan. Just into the dealership, professionally cleaned, sanitized, and fully serviced, this Tiguan is ready for immediate delivery. So pretty much no matter where you are in the province, if you can't come to us, we can easily deliver this one to your home or place of business. Very nicely equipped. You can see integrated high-intensity driving lights offering fantastic illumination, especially on those darker roads traveled. Nice chrome accents, deep tinted windows for that extra level of privacy, but it's also going to keep the vehicle cooler on those warmer days. The windows are louvered, so it allows a little extra airflow into the vehicle without the wind noise. A massive power sliding panoramic sunroof with rear skylight. High definition rear view parking camera. Side vehicle blind spot detection system with cross traffic alerts. A smart keyless entry system. And just check out this interior. Glove soft leather face seats. Perforated and heated, power adjusting with separate lumbar control for the driver. Leather wrapped steering wheel that's telescopic and it's also tilting as well. Cruise control and audio control. Nice size driver information system. A massive LCD display center with GPS navigation. Here's your automated dual zone climate control system. Easy to drive automatic transmission, but you have the option to shift manually as well. Select off-road driving modes, nice size center console, and very comfortable seating for 5 in total with a huge folding center armrest and split folding rear seats. Plenty of room in the back for all your gear. Just a beautiful SUV. Fuel efficient, reliable, nice and solid. Hey, located in South Vancouver, same location since 1985, we have helped out thousands of clients get their perfect vehicle. Rest assured we could easily help you with your motoring needs. Simply let us know when to expect you, and we'll have this one ready for a personal test drive. Hey, it's always toll free at 1-800-261-3363. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.